Be yourself, don't try too hard to impress. Authenticity is attractive. Be real, be kind, and be confident in who you are. Dress well and appropriately. Choose something clean, comfortable, and appropriate for the place. A good outfit can boost your confidence too. Be on time. Punctuality shows respect and reliability. If you're running late, always send a quick heads up. Ask questions and listen, show genuine interest. Ask about their interests, experiences, and thoughts, but don't make it an interrogation. Let it flow naturally. Be positive, keep the vibe upbeat. Share good stories, laugh, and avoid complaining or venting. Keep your phone away, silence it, and keep it out of sight. Focusing on your date makes a big difference. Offer to split the bill or pay if you invited them. It shows fairness and respect. Be gracious, whatever the outcome. Don't overshare too soon. Avoid diving deep into personal trauma, ex-talk, or super heavy topics right away. Don't brag. Confidence equals good. Arrogance equals not so good. Let your personality and stories show your strengths naturally. Don't talk only about yourself. One-sided convos are a major turnoff. Make sure it's a two-way street. Don't get too drunk if drinking. Keep it classy and in control. No one wants to babysit on a first date. Don't pretend to like things you don't. You don't have to match perfectly. Honesty helps both of you know if there's a real vibe. Don't be rude to staff if you're out. How you treat others says a lot about you. Always be polite. Please like and subscribe for more updates.